Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your frozen PlayStation 5 that boots into like a black screen. Now, what we want to do is go to the back of the PlayStation and unplug it from the wall, just like this, because I can't turn it off with the physical power button. So leave it unplugged for approximately 1 minute. And also when you're back here, just check your HDMI cable to make sure that didn't come unplugged or anything like that. So I'm going to unplug my HDMI cable, then plug it back in. So after about a minute, go to the front of your PlayStation 5 now, and try pressing the power button to turn it on. Now you may see it like load indefinitely with like a blue light right here. What we want to do is once the PlayStation 5 is turned on, we want to launch it into the safe mode menu. So I'm going to hold down the power button, and it may take a while to hear a beep, but keep holding it down until we get to a second beep. So I heard the first beep right here. Then I want to keep holding it down until I hear that second beep after about 20 to 30 seconds. So I heard another beep, and the light on the light bar here should be completely turned off. And we're going to launch this into the safe mode menu, and we will need a USB cable to operate the safe mode menu. So plug it into the front of the PlayStation, and then plug the other end into your PS5 controller. Now, with the light completely turned off, hold down the power button once again. We will hear a beep initially right away, and then about 10 seconds later, we will hear another beep. So I heard the second beep. I'm going to let go. Go to the PlayStation 5 controller now, and press the PS button right here. And then we can operate the safe mode menu with just the D-pad, and then select with X. Now, most of the time when I have problems with freezing or something like that, it's because my M.2 SSD is encountering some sort of error. So I want to go to Repair Console Storage right here and just select that options. Otherwise, we could go to option number 4, Update System Software, and update using Internet. We can try that as well. Otherwise, go to Clear Cache and Rebuild Database, and go to Rebuild Database. It'll be similar to repairing the console storage. But definitely try option number 3. And if everything else doesn't work, continue going down this list until you get to option number 7, reset PS5 back to the default settings, and this will erase all the data from your PlayStation 5, and you will have to download everything again. But if your PlayStation 5 is freezing, don't be afraid to unplug it from the wall and launch it into safe mode. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.